Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today planning in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for another week. We are planning the week of September 21st through the 27th, and I am using this kit by Planner Pixie Co called Cider Lane. I am super excited about this kit. I was going to use it last week, then school got all switched around, all that stuff I talked about over the past couple weeks. So it is time now. This does match the monthly kit in my A5 wide, and I will be doing a weekly kit with this as well. I want to say next month. I can't remember. Anyway, this is the, it's a full page kit, and then this is just the bits of the third sheet that I printed. Obviously the wrong date dots because I had planned to use it last week. I didn't reprint them. I'm just going to write them in this time. Okay, so let's get started. Now, last time I did a full page kit, I kind of messed it up again. I had a few good weeks and then everything went to hell. So let's see what I can do this time. Probably no better. So it is only the second day of school for my kiddo today. It's Thursday. Okay, I'm not even looking where this is going. I'm just putting it down. Yep, I buckled it. It's all right. Yeah, it's Thursday, the 17th today. And it is only her second day because they staggered the starts. So she went on Tuesday, then was off yesterday, and then back this morning. Oh my goodness, you guys. You know what? Not even gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna date it. I'm gonna use my Micro Perm 01 for that. So what did I say, 21st? I can't believe I messed it up this badly. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. All right. I think I had a sweet spot of putting down these full pages for like, what, 2 weeks, and then it was gone. Now, obviously it's gone. Okay, there is not tons to mark. I mean, there never is in this planner, you guys know that, but there is especially not very much to mark this time. Last week I had way more because it was the first week of school and all that stuff. So what we are going to mark though is we're gonna mark that Wednesday is, I have an all-day conference online. I'm doing, so I use later.com to schedule my Instagram posts and things like that. And they are doing their annual LaterCon conference. So I'm just gonna write that in here. And that's from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. my time. It's actually listed in Pacific, I think, or Mountain maybe. But I will keep it in my time zone so that I actually remember it. And then, Wednesday morning we also have our house cleaners coming. So I'm gonna put that on here just with a bow. Maybe this one. You guys see. So I'm just gonna put that there and write in house cleaning at 8 a.m. My daughter goes to her mom's on Friday, so I'm gonna put a little bow down for that. And then the weekend is my weekend off. So if you watched my September monthly plan with me, I talked about why I'm doing this. This is, so my husband was away a couple weeks ago, and over the weekend, and it was just so good for me to have a few days where there were no expectations of me. And I asked him when he came home if we could do it every so often. So Saturday and Sunday are my weekend off. So I'm gonna mark that. I'll put in my daughter's going to her mom's. Okay, I think that's it for over here. There's nothing that I need to mark for school as far as I know right now. For my daughter, they just sent an email yesterday saying that there would be, like, obviously all the extracurriculars are canceled this fall. I'm just going to put this up here for meals. Which is, I mean, it's obviously a bummer that there won't be any extracurriculars, but it's not like we're surprised by it, you know. I'm just going to put down these to separate the days. So yeah, nothing to mark for that. It'll just be a normal week. Well, normal as far as we know. There's already one school in our area that is closed due to, I think they have 3 cases. So, you know, we're less than a week into, I guess the junior kindergartens went back a week ago today. So we're officially a week into school and only like 4 days into everyone else being in school, and still only half the group. Like, they don't all start going together until tomorrow. And we've already got some schools closed. So we will see how the next couple weeks go. All right, I am going to leave it like this for now. I don't want to use like any washi or anything to separate this up because it's so pretty. I don't want to cover it. I'm already sad that I'm going to be writing on it, so you know. So we will leave that as it is. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.